It means like you basically have to be flat-chested to wear this shirt, and I'm like, that's fucking biased. Don't you think so? No, Sarah, it was definitely not for kids, this shirt. It's just because when my mother and I, we went to, we passed through Sears to get out of the building, and a number of the shirts, which seemed to be for older women, had very open arm holes. There's no sleeves, so I can't call them sleeves. So, yeah.
I don't know, maybe it's, well, some older women tend to be the fatter on the arms, but who knows?
That seems kind of, well, bad. Uh-oh.
Or need a breathing space for their armpits, I don't know.
Yeah. I don't know either.
I don't know.
I'm just talking to you while I record as I try to get this to work. There we go. Okay, and the sound seems good. Controller. I'm just starting off where I left off in the hour I played. I just want to record this with the music and whatnot and battle theme. I'm gonna see if I can run into a monster. Come on, monster. Come on. I know there is one. What? Pixelated. It's the pixelated one. Up! I got into a fight. Okay. Let's see how loud my mic will be after I do this. Yeah. Yourself. Attack. Also, I don't know what and then the color scheme. Jump. He just. No, it was an attack or something. I don't know where. Oh, it was an attack. He just jumped so high into the air he went off screen. Yeah. Do. Okay, I beat it. So I'm curious now. Gonna pause. Okay. Gonna quit. Yes, I wish to quit the game. And my